Hi, I'm Dr. Kyle Lindow. I'm a podiatrist and foot and ankle surgeon working at Warner Orthopedics and Wellness. Bunions are a very common problem that we treat in our office. A bunion is a bump on the inside of your foot that can develop and cause pain, which rubs in your shoe gear. Patients also can develop a bump on the outside of their foot, which is commonly called a Taylor's bunion or a bunionette. There are many different types of bunion procedures out there. The first treatment option that we do is called an osteotomy. And basically an osteotomy is just a cut in the bone and we shift it over to realign the joint and take off the bone. The good option with the osteotomy is that you're able to be weight bearing almost immediately after the surgery. The other type of procedure that we routinely perform is commonly known as a fusion. And a fusion is usually reserved for patients who have a more severe or even a recurring bunion deformity. This type of procedure is a little bit more invasive, so it will require a period of non-weight bearing to allow the bones to heal. When you come to Warner Orthopedics and Wellness, we can help you make the right decision about what is the right bunion procedure for you.